Namaste. Welcome you all in today's yoga tutorial 5. Today we are going to talk about the lying down poses and some sitting postures. Okay, first of all, we'll do Shavasana. Just after following a very fast practice, just like Surya Namaskar or any kind of Hriday Gati practice, that is a very hard kind of or a faster kind of practice. After that, you can do Shavasana. For Shavasana, just relax yourself like this, feet apart, lying down, straight, hands apart, eyes closed. Just relax your whole body from toe till your head. Okay, part by part, do the relaxation. Relax your breath, relax your body. Full awareness and concentration on your body. Relax your toes, fingers, foot area, ankle joints, your calf muscles, your knee joint, thigh region, your lower back. Relax your forearms, both the hands, thumbs, fingers, palm area, back of the hand, wrist joint, shoulder joint is completely relaxed. My chest, abdomen, whole back region is completely relaxed. Relax your neck muscles, relax your facial muscles, both the eyes, both the nostrils, upper lip, lower lip, chin area, cheek area is completely relaxed. Relax your mind processes. Thoughts are coming in, thoughts are going out. Don't analyze them, just be an observer. Who am I? I'm the eternal, I'm the bliss. मैं शांत हूँ, प्रसन्नचित्त हूँ, ऐसा भाव मन में लाइए. Give auto suggestion to your body that I am becoming healthier day by day. Slowly bring awareness towards your breath. Slowly bring awareness towards your body. Bring both the feet closer. Make a fist of your palm, open and close. Turn your neck sideways, right and left. Rub your palms. Gaze on your face. Slowly come back. Stretch your arms up in Supta Tadasana. Come back. One more time stretch. Come back. One more time stretch. Stretching your toes downwards and hands upwards. Relaxed. Now next posture, Uttan Balasana. Stretch your legs and hands up. Good for your navel displacement. Come back. Next posture, Ardha Halasana. Holding your legs 90 degrees up. Come back. Next posture, Adhastasana, Pavanmuktasana. Pointing the legs downwards. Come back with the other leg. Come back. Both legs together. Come back. Next posture, Setu Bandhasana. One leg, other leg, and lower back lift up. Good for your lower back muscle strengthening. You can repeat the practice 3 times. Come back. Next, lie down. Now we are doing the prone position. Keep both the hands on your sides of the body, under shoulder line, heels together, knees together, chin on the ground. Raise the body up. Come back. Inhale up. Come back. One more time, inhale up. Come back. Makrasana, legs apart, feet apart, hands on one another. Next posture, Shalbhasana. Both the hands under your thighs, legs up, chin up. One more time. Come back. Both the hands in front, Naukasana. Come back. One more time up. Come back. Dhanurasana. Holding your ankles and lifting the body up. One more time up. Come back. Relax for a while. Relax. Now we sit up and do some sitting poses. Supine positions like Pavanmuktasana and Setu Bandhasana, they're all good for your back muscles, for your stomach, for your digestive system. Okay, and prone position, Bhujangasana, is good for your upper back muscle, but should not be done by any person who's having any kind of abdominal surgery or ulcer. Okay, but Bhujangasana is very good for the people who are having any kind of lower back problem, any kind of low back pain. Now we'll do sitting poses. The first one is Bhadrasana. The pre-practice you can do is butterfly, in which you just move your knees. And then press your knees on the ground. Yeah, now holding both the feet as close to your body and holding them tight, eyes closed. Relax yourself, and this position, Bhadrasana, is good for your pelvic floor muscles. It strengthens your this area, and particularly your groin and the female genital tract. It tones up all your lower back area. Next posture we'll do Vakrasana. One leg folded, one leg straight. The right leg folded, so left hand twisting, holding your ankle and turning around, looking back. Same, you repeat with the other leg. Relaxed. Vakrasana is good for your spine. The next posture is Vajrasana. Both knees folded and then you are sitting on your heels. Like this, you can see I am sitting on my heels. Okay? Next is Mandukasana. Pressing your abdomen in, going in, looking up. It's good for prevention of diabetes mellitus. Come back. One more time, go for Mandukasana. Come back. On your knees, both the hands on your back. Go for half Ustrasana, slight back bending, half camel pose. Come back. One more time, go. Relax. Next posture, complementary pose which you can do is Shashankasana. Go forward, touch your forehead on the ground. It is one of the relaxative pose. Relax. Come back. So these were some of the basic practices in standing, sitting and lying down. I hope you all are enjoying it so well. And in this COVID-19 pandemic, when we are restricted, socially restricted to meet other people publicly, to interact, we can't go out in general public. But it is a good time to look in your inner self, look at your mind, look at your body, look at your soul. When you can't go outside, go inside. So keep practicing and keep enjoying the real treasure of India, yoga. Thank you.